Benedict has a thing for you. Would you like to go on a date with Benedict? You cannot say no. We don't want to see Benedict cry. Hey, listen. Why do you guys write as if you were... Are you guys role-playing as Callie today? Why? Why? Oh, wait, no.
Hey, listen.
Hey, that's something that Callie says, but it's also something that Navi says. I guess so. Oh, wait. Hey, listen! It's a very big difference from, hey, listen! Oh my god! Callie is like an aggressive Navi. Like a really aggressive Navi. Hey, listen, she does say that a lot. She does say it a lot, doesn't she? That's funny, oh my god. Don't make it... Yeah, it's like, hey, listen, don't make it rude. Exactly. She always does it. Hey, listen. Oh god, I'm so hungry. お腹すいた。待って、カリちゃんのモノマネ今してたけど。お腹すいた。I'm so hungry. How does she do that? She's like, hey, now listen. Gah. And then what was again? Don't make it weird. Now listen. Gah. Don't make it weird now. Bird, kusadori. Don't get it twisted. Oh yeah, she does say that a lot too. Do not get it twisted. Oh my god, she got those phrases that she always says. Wait, do I also have